Mamatay sila sa sama ng loob.
Kami, Mr. President, hindi mo po kami mapatay sa sama ng loob dahil hindi na po masama ang loob namin dahil tanggap na namin na kami ang minority.
Yan ang gimmick ng minority.
Gimmick lang ng minority yan. Ang Senado po, hindi po ito noon-time TV show.
Parang sinisita mo yung Senate President, which is very unparliamentary.
Mr. President, since nabanggit mo na lang rin lang na yung pagpangalaga sa lahat ng miyembro ng Senado ay isang tungkulin ng Senate President. I just would like to bring to the attention of the Senate President. I came across with the news na when the Senate President was asked by a certain Christian Esguerra regarding the minority taking up the question about the custody of Bryce Hernandez. Ito po ang sagot ng ating Senate President, which I find it very, very, very sad because being the Senate President, we hope that you are going to take care of not only the majority, because you're not the majority leader, you are the Senate President, and we hope that the majority and the minority will be taken care of by the leadership of the Senate. And if I quote your answer, Mr. President, gimmick yan ng minority. Hindi ba nila naiisip na baka si Martin Romualdez ang tuta ko? Makabintang sila porque pinagbigyan ko yung TRICOM, tuta na ako. May ginawa ba akong illegal? Yung request ng House of Representatives, illegal? Hindi. Ang gusto ninyo, awayin ko yung House of Representatives on day one. Mamatay sila sa sama ng loob. So, malungkot lang ko ito, dalawang punto, Mr. President. Unang-una, yung mamatay sila sa sama ng loob. Kami, Mr. President, hindi mo po kami mapatay sa sama ng loob dahil hindi na po masama ang loob namin dahil tanggap na namin na kami ang minority. Ang kinasama lang ng loob namin is bakit kailangan pang patayin kami sa sama ng loob? Hindi na po masama ang loob namin. Tanggap na namin na kami minority. At pangalawang punto, Mr. President, gimmick lang ng minority yan. Ang Senado po, hindi po ito noon-time TV show na puro gimmick ang ating tinitikap dito. Kami po ay nag-raise dito ng legitimate issues which requires legitimate attention. So, Mr. President, ako po ay nalulungkot which brings me to my parliamentary inquiry, Mr. President, na yung si Bryce Hernandez, yung kanyang custodiya was transferred, physical custody, I'm talking about physical custody, was transferred from the Pasay City Police Station to the Senate Sergeant at Arms room. Through yung from correction, from Camp Crame to Pasay, it was done through plenary action. Now, lately we heard that he was again transferred from Pasay to the Senate without plenary action. This is my parliamentary inquiry. Kung is a parliamentary action can be subverted by an action which is not a parliamentary action? Yun lang tanong ko. Matter of procedure lang, Mr. President. Dahil kung ganun, kailangan klaruhin natin yung ating rules. Thank you, Mr. President.
Before I recognize the majority leader to place on record the recommitment of Mr. Hernandez, when I said mamatay sila na sama ng loob, we were addressing the trolls because it was the trolls who were saying something to that effect. Na misunderstood nila completely. No? I'm not supposed to do this. I'm not supposed to answer you here in the rostrum, but I cannot help but do that because you took the floor and parang sinisita mo yung Senate President, which is very unparliamentary. But nevertheless, I will answer you. Like, for example, yung sinasabi nila na sumunod daw ako kay Martin Romualdez. Just because I mentioned that Martin Romualdez called me does not mean that ako'y sumunod sa kanya. The request was coming from the House of Representatives, and the request was to retain Hernandez in Congress. At doon ako hindi pumayag. Is that being tuta? So you cannot help but also think na sasama ang loob ko pag binibintangan ako ng salita. Hindi po ba? So ayun, anyway, mabuti na yung masagot natin yan. At sinasabi ko sa kanila, yung mga trolls, yung mga sinasagot namin.
Eto, Tito Sen, papasagot ko lang sa inyo to, no? Kasi medyo naaawa ako sa mga trolls dito ngayong gabi. Ang daming trolls, ha? Patulang ko lang ng konti, no? Basically, ang dami na lang, mga naghahanap buhay lang naman ito. Nagbabanat ng buto para gumawa ng kasamaan, no?
Para mabayaran naman.
Oo nga. Ang talking points nila, tutaro kayo ni Romualdez because of your decision to somehow give in doon sa issue dito sa custody ni Bryce Hernandez. Ano ba
Gimmick
ginagawa niya dito?
Yan ang gimmick ng minority. Hindi ba nila naisip na baka si Martin ang tuta ko?
Bakit?
Aba mag-isip sila. Di ba? Bakit nakabintang sila ng gano'n? Pinagbigyan ko yung TRICOM, tuta na ako. Ano yun? May ginawa ba akong illegal? Yung bang ni-request ng House of Representatives, illegal? Hindi. Hindi ba? Yung ba yung nasa power ng Senate President? Oo. Paano naging tuta yun? Ang gusto niyo, awayin ko on day one ang House of Representatives. Hindi ba? Where is parliamentary courtesy? Of course, sigurado yung mga trolls wala nun at hindi naintindihan kung ano yung parliamentary courtesy. Kaya siguro ganun. Kaya ba sila, mamatay sila sa sama ng loob.